Ever paid a ridiculous bank fee for something as simple as transferring money? Or maybe you've gotten lost in a maze of confusing bank account options. If you're nodding your head right now, you're definitely not alone. The traditional banking system in Nigeria, well, let's just say it hasn't exactly kept pace with the times. But fear not, a new wave of financial technology, or fintech for short, is changing the game. Enter Kuda Bank, a name you might be hearing a lot these days. But is Kuda really a bank? Is it a neobank? And what exactly does that even mean? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of kuda and neobanks to see if they're the future of Nigerian finance. What is a neobank? So, before we dissect kuda, let's get clear on what a neobank actually is. Unlike your traditional high street bank with its grand buildings and grumpy tellers, neobanks are entirely digital. They operate primarily through mobile apps, offering a range of financial services like money transfers, bill payments, and even savings accounts. Think of them as the sleek, tech-savvy cousin of the old-school bank. Here's the kicker: neobanks typically ditch the physical branches altogether. This allows them to keep their overhead costs low, which translates into some pretty sweet benefits for you, the customer. Think lower fees, faster transactions, and a user-friendly mobile experience that puts your finances at your fingertips. Neobanks versus traditional banks, a face-off. Alright, now that we have a basic understanding of neobanks, let's see how they stack up against traditional banks. Let's take a look at a few key areas. Fees. Traditional banks are notorious for slapping on fees for everything from account maintenance to ATM withdrawals. Neobanks, on the other hand, often boast lower or even zero fees, making them a budget-friendly option. Accessibility. Traditional banks can be inconvenient, with limited branch hours and long queues. Neobanks, with their digital focus, are accessible 24/7 from your phone, making managing your finances a breeze. Innovation. Traditional banks can be slow to adopt new technologies. Neobanks, being digital natives, are constantly innovating, offering features and services that traditional banks just can't match. So, is Kuda a neobank? Absolutely. Kuda Bank ticks all the boxes of a neobank. They offer a mobile-first banking experience with a user-friendly app, free transfers, and a focus on making financial services accessible and affordable for everyone. But wait, there's more to the story. While Kuda certainly fits the neobank mold, it's important to note that they don't hold a commercial banking license. This means some key differences compared to traditional banks. For example, Kuda can't directly offer loans or credit cards. They also rely on partner banks for some underlying services. Is Kuda right for you? This depends on your financial needs. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your everyday banking, Kuda could be a great option. Their free transfers, zero account maintenance fees, and easy-to-use app make them an attractive choice. However, if you need access to loans, credit cards, or other traditional banking services, you might need to consider a combination of Kuda and a traditional bank. The future of banking in Nigeria. The rise of neobanks like Kuda is a sign of exciting times for Nigerian finance. They're pushing the traditional banks to innovate and offering more customer-centric options. This competition can only benefit us, the consumers. Whether you choose Kuda, another neobank, or a traditional bank, do your research and find the option that best suits your needs. Outro. So, is Kuda a neobank? Yes, and it's part of a growing trend that's shaking up the financial landscape in Nigeria. With its focus on affordability, accessibility, and innovation, Kuda could be a game-changer for many Nigerians. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Explore your options and choose the financial partner that empowers you to take control of your money. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.